first of all transition, here you are going to do Python data type. So here you can see I have created and WordPad. In it I have done the data type. So you can see here, and let's start our video. So first of all, what I will do. So now first of all I will go to the, and first data type is str. What is str? So we will know. Here first of all we will create a new page. I will create a page and file. Like this, and in it I will write here data type, and then I will create here first of all the data type number 1, that is str. So what is str? str is equal to string. For an example, 3. For an example, I will create here str with s equal to Subhan, and then I will tell you about the int. What is int? So int equal to a equal to full number, int. Number 3, float. What is float? Float equal to and decimal number, and we can say a full number or whole number, and that's an decimal number. And then we will see complex. Complex equal to a number with letter. We can do what? Complex a equal to 1j. Like this. 1j equal to 1j, like this. And number 3, the list. How the list work? We can write L equal to state brackets, and we can write here apple, cherry. Wait, cherry. And number 3 data type is going to be tuple equal to round brackets a b. Number 3 is going to be range. R equal to range 7, and then we can write the second last one, dike. It's my favorite because in dike we can write equal to and MongoDB function. For like, if I write here equal to Subhan, and I can add the H2. Last, the set S equal to apple. Now I will show you by printing. First of all, print S dot, wait, I will write here, type S, and I will run it in the run Python file. Wait, there are two S, so I will call it I, and now what we can do, I can run it again. Now I will run it, wait, not here, in the Python file, that an str. Now if I do run it, F, I will run it again. Now it's float. X, I will run it, that's n complex. L, run it, that way. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the bell icon button, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be